If you see wind... A severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Peachtree Corners, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peachtree Corners, Mountain Park, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Dunwoody, Milton, Duluth, Suwanee, Norcross, Dorville, Berkeley Lake, Brookwood, Birmingham, and Mechanicsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.